Hello, Aviva, and anybody else who might need this. I just want to show you how to link out on the results page, which you can do. So you can come here to whichever result you're looking to link, and let's just say you want to link here, check out my blog. What you want to do is highlight this and then click the link button here. Then I'm going to paste in the link that I want it to open, the URL that I'm going to open. And then just as a secondary step here, you do have to type in the text that you want to link. So even though I highlighted this, I want to type in check out my blog. And then you can make it open in a new tab if you want. I would suggest that just because if they click out, especially if you're linking multiple things, then they would have to retake the quiz to get back to the results page. So if you open it in a new tab, they'll keep the results open and get to access all of the things that you want them to click out. So then just click save, and there it is. It's linked. So when you publish, if you want this to go live right away, publish changes, or if you're making a bunch of changes, you can save and exit. I'm just going to publish, and then you are all set.